Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set Hyundai Sonata timing chain, easy method. Remove the engine cover and front accessories to access the timing cover, then drain coolant if needed. Rotate the crank to TDC and mark timing positions on the chain and sprockets with paint. Use a holding tool to lock camshafts, align timing marks carefully, and replace tensioner before reassembly for correct chain tension and timing. Before you begin, work methodically and keep parts organized in order of removal. Wear gloves and eye protection and have a service manual or OEM torque specs ready. Clean the area to prevent debris from entering the engine when covers are off. Double-check your parts list so you're not interrupted mid-job, and warm the engine slightly if specified by your manual to ease bolt removal and sealant application. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: when you're under the hood for long jobs, bring the O-Ala water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid smudgy tools from sweaty hands. It seals well and fits most cup holders. I use it on every long repair day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. With cams locked and crank at TDC, carefully remove the old chain and inspect sprockets for wear. Transfer timing marks or align new chain to factory marks, then fit the chain and slowly release cam locks while watching for correct alignment. Torque bolts to spec and prime the tensioner before running the engine to build oil pressure. After assembly, rotate the engine 2 full revolutions and recheck timing marks and clearances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.